Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Sumaira Bhatt. I'm the chair for 19 Shaukat Khanum Cancer Symposium. Because of the COVID pandemic, we could not have a symposium and we had to turn it into a virtual event. This was a challenging task and it was not very easy for us to do a virtual symposium. We have done it for the first time and I'm grateful to our IT team, our support from the symposium secretariats to arrange this virtual symposium. A lot of people have been involved in this virtual symposium, and I want to take you behind the scenes how this virtual symposium was arranged and how it was planned and how it is being conducted right now. So I will take you through the different steps that what we have been doing and how we are ensuring that the sessions are running smoothly. It is very important to know that we are running 4 parallel sessions right now, and it has been going on since Friday. We had very successful 2 sessions on Friday and Saturday, and a large number of people have attended those sessions virtually. Right now, 4 sessions are going on. On Saturday, we have stereotactic radiation therapy session in one room, and we have anesthesia and pain medicine session in second room, and we have bone marrow transplant session in room number 3, and we have sarcoma and reconstructive surgery in room number 4. So we have 4 moderator rooms who are moderating these sessions, and we have 4 speakers room in which speakers are sitting and they are waiting for their presentation to start. Their computers are set and we have made sure that the connections are working. So it is very important that our IT is keeping an eye on all the attendees and participants and panelists. So I will take you to different rooms that how we are making sure that 4 sessions are running parallel smoothly. So this is our control room. As you can see, we have 4 monitors. We are looking at the participant view on these 4 monitors, and all these monitors are directly showing us how the session is going on. And we have Dr. Asad, our co-chair, who is looking at these screens all the time. As soon as there is any interruption in the sessions or any session, we can go to the host room and let them know, or even before that, there's a session, they can be told by the co-host and their team as well that we need to do something in that room. So all these monitors are connected to the headsets, and we can keep an eye on the quality of the video and quality of the audio as well. We have Miss Sana sitting here. She has worked on the symposium site. She's making sure that the site is running smoothly, all the connections are running smoothly. Because it is a virtual event, it is very important that the participants who are logging on, they have a smooth transition and they can join the session smoothly. So Sana is looking after all those things, that the site is not, if there is any obstruction in the site or if there is any problem with the logins. So she's here for the site support. As you can see, we have a few people sitting and listening to the program, and this area is constantly being monitored so that we know that our audience is having an uninterrupted symposium session all the time. And all the 4 sessions right now, as you can see, stereotactic radiotherapy, anesthesia, sarcoma, and hematology sessions are going really smoothly. All the presenters are presenting and everything is working smoothly right now. So this is the area where all the sessions are taking place. As you can see, we have got almost 14 rooms in which the panelists and the host are sitting. I will take you to the host room and the panelist room, but as you can see, we have Mr. Hasib sitting here. He is the main IT person who has been making all this happen, and he's looking after the IT support and making sure all the connections are running smoothly and there are no hardware issues as well. So we have people in the backup who are looking at the hardware and the software issues and making sure that the Zoom connections are running smoothly. So thanks to Mr. Hasib, and he's making sure he's looking after session 1, and he's making sure that the moderator, if there is any problem, we can immediately go in and deal with the issues. So you can also see we have 2 more support staff, Ms. Anika Aga, she is the symposium secretariat, and Numera, who are also looking after all the sessions. They have been involved in sending all the invitations, making sure that the Zoom connections have been sent as a panelist before the program. They have taken all the confirmation. They have been in touch with the speakers for the confirmation of the invitation and making sure that they come online at least half an hour before the session, though that all the panelists are there when we start the program. So thanks to them, this is all because of their support that we had all the confirmations and this session is running smoothly. And now they are actually looking after session 3 and 4 to make sure that if there is any problem with the moderator, they can let the right people know and they will come in for any support. So this is one of the panelist room. The camera and the mic is muted so that I can come in the room. So there was some issue with the computer. So we have IT technical support, Mr. Rizwan with us. He's helping Dr. Atiq to sort out the issues. As you can see, this is very important. IT, this virtual event cannot happen without the IT support. Sometimes the cameras are not working, sometimes if headphone is not working. The smooth running of this virtual symposium can only take place if we have constant IT support. And as you can see, Rizwan is very expert in his field and he's making sure that Dr. Atiq is having a constant, smooth transition in the sessions. Thank you so much. So this is the host room. We have Bushra Sajjad and Waqas Ali from IT. They are making sure that the host and the panelists have all joined in and they are actually following the computer and the participant view. And they are making sure that all the voice and the videos are clear. And we have also Dr. Tasheer from our own, this is the radiation session going on. So he's making sure that there is constant communication about the time limit for the presentation, about any problem in the session, about who's going next, and he's continuously communicating with all the panelists. So it is very important to have the IT and the medical staff sitting in the same room communicating with each other to make sure that the session is running smoothly, because if there is any issue with the panelist or if they are unable to join in, the IT staff will tell the medical team and they will communicate with them on the phone so that there is constant communication and we can take another speaker online if there is any communication problem or if there is any connection with the internet problem. So this is the host room for the sarcoma session. We have co-host and Azan Tasir sitting on the computer, making sure that the session is running smoothly. So this is our host room for the anesthesia and pain medicine session. We have Sara Aftab from the IT team and we have Hamad Ajib from anesthesia, and they are making sure the session is running smoothly. This is one of the moderator rooms. We have Sadur Rahman moderating the session of anesthesia and pain medicine session. He's still waiting for the next presentation, so he's sitting comfortably, but he's making sure all the speakers are going turn by turn, and he's making sure that nobody exceeds the time limit and making sure that the session is running smoothly. And the panel discussions, there is adequate interaction of all the panelists so that we can get maximum benefit from the session. This is our host room for bone marrow transplant session. We have Alma, we have Omar, and we have Rana Salman sitting in this room. Alma and Omar are looking after the IT things and they are making sure that the views are fine and everything is running smoothly. And Rana Salman is looking after the medical sessions that all the panelists are communicating with each other.